In today's episode at the firm, I hit another new personal best. I get to play an awesome bit of lead follow with a 350 horsepower Focus RS. I get a little confident, then a little too overconfident. I also get to drive that Ford Focus RS, hanging out with my buddies, and also driving a Daytona Charger up to 500 horsepower. Welcome back to the firm, everybody. So of course you guys recognize Travis in the middle, Tre on the left, Brian on the right, and that's Tre's Ford Focus RS. Hey, that's me. So we were suiting up. This was the first time going back out, first session of the day. Tre and I were gonna go out together and we were gonna try to do a bit of lead follow. I didn't know how this was gonna go considering the totally different horsepowers of these cars, but we have different experience levels out at the firm too. So I thought it could be a little interesting. So if you see my rear view mirror there, Tre is definitely on me going around that wall turn and coming up on the straight. You see me getting a little overcorrected there because I was like, okay, I'm trying to push, I'm trying to get away from him. It was tough. So then here I am following him, and you can see he's definitely able to pull some gaps on me. The power of that car is just, I just can't match it in my 100 horsepower car. But under braking, I definitely had more of an advantage. Definitely because my car is lightweight, but just because of the driver mod in this sense, where I have more experience at the firm. That's just it. That's nothing against Tre. He actually is a really solid driver, but just at this moment, I just have a little more experience. But then he was like, hey Rob, can you drive my car? And I was like, yes. So the pedals are so different than my car.
Yep, probably can hit all three pedals with one foot.
Yeah, is it in third? Or no, it's in neutral. No, it's in third.
Yeah, it was in...
It was in third.
Yep. Yep, clutch in, button.
Wow, I'm not used to this. Wow, this feels so different than throttle. What are you usually doing around here?
60 plus.
Dude, the pedals feel so different.
You can hit 80 in this. Basically chop this off and go straight.
Right. I'm just trying to get used to everything going on.
For sure.
You don't use third or fourth, do you?
No, in the back straight, that's it.
Okay. Do you mind if I hit the curbs?
Go for it.
Yeah, I'm just trying to understand the grip, the power. It's very different. It's fun. It's fun.
Yeah.
It's a very different car. So that was just a bit of a taster on what's to come. I actually have a whole video coming out based on me driving Tre's car and, you know, kind of giving my input on what the car is like out there. So really, really fun video coming on that. But then once I got out of Tre's car, Brian was like, hey dude, can you drive my Charger and kind of show me the way around the track in this? I was like, yeah. Woo! Manuals in this car?
No, they don't.
Dude, I can feel that there's so much freaking grunt. Yeah, good lord. Whoa, yeah, the weight, holy crap.
Yeah. From Tre's car, when I rode with him, I was like, oh man, you can make that turn. I can't do that.
Right. This thing actually feels really nice and flat in the turn, which is surprising. You know what you have, Brian, is understeer.
Yes.
You have a lot of understeer, which is really surprising. So you can actually get the rear of the car to dance around a bit, or you can use the throttle.
I see.
But we'll see. I'm still figuring this thing out for a sec. Brian's Charger, totally fun experience driving both of those cars. Those videos are coming in a few weeks. But so then I went back out with Trav. You see him here in the passenger seat. And I really wanted to try to build on what I had done last time at the firm. In my last session about a month ago, I was able to pull out a time of 1:28.9 by myself in the car. I was really proud of that at the time. Well, come the end of this session here with Trav in the car, I was able to pull out the same minute 28.9. So I started getting really excited about that, in the sense that, you know, hey, you know, I'm getting confident out here. I'm understanding more what I'm trying to do with the car, how to hustle it around here. And I definitely felt there was more time in the thing. So I was just trying to build some confidence, and after the lunch break, I was gonna go back out there and really try to hammer in a new personal best. Stiffer tire. Yeah. Alright, let's go. This is right about where I'd love to show you my fastest lap. I didn't record it. Oh God, you guys. This is what happened. I can be proud of. I ended up pressing the button at the wrong time. Ah, oh, God. I've been using Travis's GoPro, and I appreciate him letting me use it, but man, I messed up. What can I say? So this coming lap here that you're gonna see is my second fastest lap of the day. I did end up putting in a minute 26.6. That is my outright fastest ever lap at the firm. This lap that you're gonna see here is a minute 27.9. So no, it's not as fast. I would love to show you the proper lap, but so enjoy this one, fully unedited, minute 27.9 lap, but it's not the minute 26.6. Gah! So that's my lap. I can show you guys. I would love to bring you the minute 26.6, but it obviously can't happen because I didn't record it. Oh, God. So what I have to do is go back out there and put in a faster time and record that, right? I mean, come on, it's obvious. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have a lot of cool ones coming. Driving Tre and Brian's car, and also doing like a total lead follow, a full session with Tre. So yeah, stay tuned for those videos, you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Talk to you in the next. Let it cool down for a few minutes.
How's it going?
Good? No overheating. I think I pushed it a bit too hard on the tires. I got a little squirrely there on two.
They get too soft?
I don't know. I don't know if I just took too much speed.
Did you go off or no?
No. I just got a little bit of a run. I think I just took too much speed, but I think I kind of killed the life of the, that kind of killed the tire in the sense of it's not going to give me any more, you know.